Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Speed Queen Belt Agitate and Spin-GRN LA part number 200923. Speed Queen Belt Agitate and Spin-GRN LA part number 200923 is a replacement part for Speed Queen washers. It is a belt, agitator, and spin assembly that is green in color. The belt helps to drive the agitator and spin the tub during the wash cycle. The agitator helps to move the clothes around in the water to ensure they are thoroughly cleaned. The spin assembly helps to extract water from the clothes after they have been washed. This part is designed for use with Speed Queen washers and should be installed by a qualified technician. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a worn or broken belt, agitator, and spin-green laundry appliance. It can help to restore the appliance's ability to properly agitate and spin clothes during the wash cycle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the washer from the power source. 2. Remove the front panel of the washer by unscrewing the screws on either side of the panel. 3. Locate and remove the old belt from around the motor pulley and agitator pulley. 4. Place the new belt around both pulleys, making sure that it is aligned correctly and not twisted or kinked in any way. 5. Tighten the belt by pulling it taut with your hands, then use a belt tensioner tool to ensure that it is properly tightened. 6. Replace the front panel and secure it with screws, then plug in the washer to P. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.